So we ordered this bubble wand, so we're gonna check it out. It does come with some packs of bubble liquid, and it actually comes with 2 of these attachable containers that you screw onto the bottom of the wand. And as you can see, it has different features. It has a blizzard bubble, which is this fan back here, and it also has a music setting, which I'll show you right now, and it does light up at night. Okay, so if you press it one time, it will start with the bubbles. You can go ahead and press it twice.
Can I try? Can I try?